Join me as I challenge myself to practice daily gratitude and prayer for a whole week and see how it changes my perspective. In this video, you will explore the transformative effects of daily gratitude and prayer on your life and mindset. Many people struggle with negativity and stress, often feeling overwhelmed by their daily lives and forgetting to appreciate the positives. I know firsthand how easy it is to get caught up in the hustle and bustle and lose sight of what truly matters. Our minds are wired to focus on problems, not solutions, and it's only natural that we start to feel drained and unhappy. This cycle of negativity can be hard to break, but I've found that it's not impossible. By taking a step back and reevaluating our priorities, we can start to shift our focus towards the good things in life. The problem is that we're often so focused on what's going wrong that we forget to acknowledge what's going right. We let the small things slip by and only notice them when they're gone. It's like the old saying goes, you don't know what you've got until it's gone. This mindset can lead to feelings of discontentment and dissatisfaction, which can be really tough to shake off. But what if I told you that there's a simple way to shift your focus and cultivate a more positive mindset? It starts with practicing gratitude and prayer daily. By taking just a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for, you can start to notice a significant change in your outlook. Your relationships with others can also improve as you become more empathetic and understanding. The science behind gratitude and prayer is fascinating, and I've come across some amazing studies that highlight their benefits. For example, research has shown that people who practice gratitude on a daily basis experience higher levels of emotional well-being and life satisfaction. They also tend to have stronger relationships and are more resilient in the face of challenges. Personally, I've found that incorporating prayer into my daily routine has helped me feel more connected to something bigger than myself. One of the most powerful insights I've gained from my research is that gratitude and prayer can actually rewire our brains. By focusing on what we're thankful for, we can start to shift our brain's default mode from negative to positive. This can lead to profound changes in our perspective and overall happiness. I've seen this in my own life, and I've noticed that I'm more patient, more understanding, and more at peace. Incorporating gratitude and prayer into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your mindset and overall well-being. By taking just a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for, you can start to notice a significant change in your outlook. If you're inspired to start practicing gratitude and prayer daily, I want to hear about it. Share your experiences in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on personal growth for more tips and inspiration.